In 1999, an experiment was initiated to study the comparative behavior of various styles of strike termination devices, also known as air terminals. The test site was located on Niwot Ridge, Colorado, at an elevation of 12,000 feet. This location was chosen due to the assumed high level of thunderstorm activity, estimated to be over 100 thunderstorm days per year. The experimental setup consisted of 80 copper-clad steel air terminals, each with a diameter of 5/8 inch and a height of 4 feet. These air terminals were arranged in clusters of 4 rods, with each cluster mounted on a wooden sawhorse platform. To verify lightning attachment, 20 amps fuse sensors were attached to each platform. The study focused on 4 different air terminal tip designs: firstly a blunt tip, secondly a hemispheric tip, thirdly a bullet-shaped tip, and fourthly a sharp tip. Each sawhorse platform featured one of each tip design. After 6 years of observation, the experiment concluded with a surprising outcome: no lightning strikes were recorded. This absence of lightning strikes prevented any comparative analysis of the effectiveness of the different air terminal tip designs. The experimental setup, despite being located in an area expected to have high thunderstorm activity, failed to attract any lightning strikes during the entire 6-year period. This lack of lightning strikes rendered the experiment unsuccessful in its primary objective, which was to compare the performance of different strike termination devices. The interpretation of these results is that the experimental setup, while designed to attract lightning, did not function as intended. This could be due to various factors, including the actual lightning activity in the area being lower than initially assumed, or the design of the air terminals and their arrangement not being effective in initiating lightning strikes. The failure of the experiment to attract lightning underscores the complexity of lightning behavior and the challenges in conducting controlled experiments to study lightning phenomena. While the experiment did not yield the anticipated comparative data on different air terminal designs, it does highlight the unpredictable nature of lightning and the need for further research in this area. Further investigation into the factors that influence lightning strikes and the effectiveness of different strike termination devices is warranted. This could involve using different experimental setups, exploring alternative locations with higher lightning activity, or employing more advanced techniques for detecting and analyzing lightning strikes. The absence of lightning strikes during the experiment also raises questions about the accuracy of the initial assumption regarding thunderstorm activity in the area. It is possible that the actual number of thunderstorm days per year was significantly lower than the estimated 100+ thunderstorm days. This highlights the importance of accurate data collection and analysis in scientific research. In conclusion, the 6-year experiment on Niwot Ridge, Colorado, aimed at studying the comparative behavior of different strike termination devices, was unsuccessful due to the absence of any lightning strikes. This outcome prevents any definitive conclusions regarding the effectiveness of the 4 air terminal tip designs under investigation. The results emphasize the challenges in studying lightning phenomena and the need for continued research in this field.